Most businesses have a security system installed at their building to provide alerts and alarms if an unauthorized person or intruder were to try and enter their building. Lots of people use these systems every day, but many don't understand how they work. Here's how. Every security alarm system has a keypad, which is used to turn the system on and off. This is also known as arming and disarming. The keypad isn't the brains of the system, it's simply how you interact with it. The keypad activates and deactivates devices which are connected to the security alarm system. These can include things such as door contacts, motion detectors, glassbreak detectors, beams, or any other device which may be securing your building. The brains of the security alarm system is the control panel, which is usually located in an electrical room, telephone room, or other secure area of the building. All of these security devices can be connected to the control panel by wired or wireless communication. When the security system is armed and a door is open, motion is detected, or any other device is tripped, the alarm panel wakes up. And that's where Fire Monitoring Canada's Signals Receiving Centre comes in. The panel begins sending information to FMC's Signal Receiving Centre about what is happening in your building. This alarm data can be sent to our Signals Receiving Centre through any combination of phone line, cellular, IP, or other ULC-approved method of communication. These alarm signals are received at our monitoring station in receivers, which our operators acknowledge through our alarm monitoring automation software. Alarms are presented to our operators with your building's information, and this is what we use to begin contacting the appropriate people about the alarm. Typically, FMC will attempt to confirm the alarm from your security alarm system prior to notifying the police in an attempt to ensure that the alarm is real. This is a process known as enhanced call verification, and it has been proven to reduce false dispatches of police by up to 60%. FMC can also send real-time alerts and deliver control of your security alarm system to your phone. This would allow you to arm and disarm the system remotely, check on the status of the system, and add or remove users conveniently from wherever you are. FMC and Bulldog Fire and Security have been installing, servicing, and monitoring security alarm systems in businesses for over 30 years, and we understand how unique your business's monitoring needs are. FMC and Bulldog Fire Security are your proven fire security and monitoring experts. If you have questions about alarm monitoring, we've got the answers. Visit us online at fire-monitoring.com or call 1-888-789-FIRE.